freedom from failure. I want freedom from failure. This was the topic I started sometime back, say a week back. 1st October was the date, and I realized over these 6 days, I received many feedbacks and questions. Teenager says that we don't want, we need freedom from failure. Why teenager needs freedom from failure? Why? What is the issue with them? They say that we select an education, our parents are pushing us to an education which we don't like, we don't get into it, we don't accept it. But we do not know what to do. So we have no choice but to listen to the parents and follow the track. And then finally leading to failure sometime. We are always worried in class 1 itself, in KG itself, in the upper KG itself. The student starts feeling that I shouldn't fail. मैं फेल हो गया तो क्या होगा? मतलब इस एज से ही फेलियर का जो एक फियर आ जाता है, डर आ जाता है, मन में बैठ जाता है, वो जो एप्रीहेंशंस को जनरेट कर, आपकी सारी फाउंडेशन एप्रीहेंशंस पर चली जाती है. तो टीनेजर पर जाने से पहले ही, जब आपकी एप्रीहेंशन पर ही आपका जो बेस बन रहा है, तो टीनेज में जाने से तो आपको प्रॉब्लम्स कितनी होंगी, क्योंकि द फेज चेंजेस फ्रॉम योर childhood to teenage you are entering, and face changes, especially females, girls. What preparation they should have done and what they have done. Or parents are pushing us to read, study. Whether it is relevant to us or not, they don't even bother. Well, I say basic education that you should take. Right. Basic education you should take, but what is basic education? We don't understand what is basic education. What does it mean? Basic education means I should be able to speak. I should be able to convey my feelings. I should be able to convey my message to the person who is listening. For that, what language we require? You need a language. Mother tongue, you start learning it from when you are in the womb. So, the apprehensions build over my foundation, my mental wealth seed, net worth seed, which I was born with, that has been cultivated with apprehensions. So what will I get? That fear of failure. Failure itself will remain in life all along. Teenage, I suffer maximum. Teenage, I suffer maximum. Why? It's a time of enjoying full, but you are suffering. Teenagers are committing suicides. So they told me clearly that they are not wanting. It is not a desire, it's not a want. It's a need. It's a need of the day, need of the hour, need of the minute, or need of each kid, each child, each teenager. And the foundation of the bigger one, elder ones, young ones, their foundation is based on apprehensions. Fear of the failure, the freedom from failure is needed, but it is needed, not wanted. So you have to understand the difference between need and want. Want is not necessary that I get it or I get it or I will use it or not. But it's a need. I have to have this. I have to have this. No choice. I would not like to leave it to the choice of anyone else. No way. I need this freedom from failures. In all respects, I do not want my building to be made with bricks of apprehensions, bricks of doubts, bricks of confusion. I don't want my building to be made on that. And parents, my parents should understand this, that do not try to understand what suits me. What is my mental net worth? Mental wealth. What mental wealth seed I am carrying? Parents should know this. If parent doesn't know, then they have no rights to bring me in the world. I don't want to commit suicide, but you are forcing me, circumstances forcing me to commit suicide, because they have put all bricks of apprehensions, doubts, confusion in my life since my birth. I mean, I am introduced to my father, I am introduced to my mother. How do I believe that they are saying right or wrong? Very big question. So, you have to make sure that teenager community requires this freedom. It needs, it's a need of each teenager, each child before teenager and post teenage. It's not that today teenagers only can be taken care of. Mental wealth seed, net worth seed is possible to know at any age. Technologies are available. We have broken the frontiers of technologies. We are ready to become, we are actually industrial leaders for the world today. We have technologies like we are able to understand your seed analysis, mental wealth seed analysis in 15 minutes. Your parents will confirm that. Mental seed analysis. If they confirm, then you have to adopt to it and cultivate it in the direction where you do not get into any apprehensions, any confusion, any negativity. You understand? Teenagers need it.